Good morning and welcome to the FrostySith Channel. It is the first Tuesday in July of 2019 and we're going to be talking to you about 5 things that are coming up on the FrostySith Channel this month on Tuesday Teaser. Number 1 is 10 essentials for any backpack on any hike that you're going on. Could be a day-long gear loadout, summit loadout for your summit pack. Could be extended trip, car camping, doesn't really matter. 10 things you should also always have with you in your bag. So we're going to do that. We're going to finish up the keto pho or keto fa recipe, and we'll go through that. We're going to do a keto dessert for the trail, and then we're also going to try and get in during the month the top 4 big 4 items for backpacking, and basic first aid kit, and we may talk about some crew size first aid kits as well and what you need really for the backcountry and outings that you're going to be going on. So that's really it for the Tuesday teaser. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for that content, and remember, get up, get out, live a little. See ya.